ALLO, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. I want to start off by saying that Allogene Therapeutics stock is absolutely pumping, you know, 44% up is good. The idea behind this though is that beforehand it was just, you know, correcting, you know, it's just melting down. Context though, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, done 35,000 videos over the last 4 years. And my 2 cents on this is that, yeah, it's good that we're starting to see like we're breaking the highs, but are we really? Almost there though, almost there. My 2 cents on this is that I'm only really gonna continue to take this thing lower if the price gives me a second double break beneath these lows. Like, because it's a supply area, like you have to understand that this can just demolish the highs, you know, and this idea could be completely wrong, and that's fine, because the only time where I'm actually going to short is if I see a double break shift. If I don't, then I'm just not going to short. It ultimately comes down to that. That's my 2 cents on this though. But yeah, so if you want to make more money trading in a very simple and lean way, you can click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.